Once upon a time, there was a little bird who was afraid to fly. He was the only bird in his nest who couldn't fly. His brothers and sisters would fly all around the forest, but he would just sit in the nest and watch. One day, the little bird's mother said to him, "It's time for you to learn to fly, my son." "But I'm scared," the little bird said. "I'm afraid I'll fall and hurt myself." "You won't fall," his mother said. "I'll be right here to catch you." The little bird took a deep breath and jumped out of the nest. He flapped his wings as hard as he could, but he started to fall. "Help!" he cried. His mother swooped down and caught him just before he hit the ground. "Don't give up," she said. "Try again." The little bird tried again and again, but he couldn't fly. He was starting to feel very discouraged. "I'll never be able to fly," he said. "Don't say that," his mother said. "Everyone can fly, if they just keep trying." The next day, the little bird tried again. He flapped his wings as hard as he could, and this time, he started to rise into the air. He flew higher and higher, until he was level with his brothers and sisters. The little bird was so happy. He could finally fly. He flew all around the forest, playing with his brothers and sisters. He even flew higher than the tallest trees. The little bird learned that if you keep trying, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Moral of the story: never give up on your dreams, no matter how difficult they may seem.